How to make iPhone ringer louder. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 quick steps to make your iPhone ringtone louder. So first, let's disable attention hour features. Go to settings, then type attention in the search bar and select Face ID and attention. Then toggle off the attention aware features. So this will stop your phone from lowering the volume when you're looking at the screen. Next, we're going to adjust the ringtone volume independently. In Settings, tap on Sounds and Haptics, then turn up Change with buttons so that media volume won't affect your ringer. Then slide ringtone and alerts to the max for a louder ringtone. Now, let's pick a louder ringtone. Scroll down and select ringtone. Tones like alarm or radar are generally louder and can help you hear your calls better. And for the fourth step, check the silent mode switch. So make sure your silent mode switch is set to loud. So on iPhone 15 Pro models, you can use the control center to toggle between silent and loud modes. And finally, turn off any focus modes like Do Not Disturb in the control center to make sure calls will ring through.